Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to install, activate and set up the QUBE Multipurpose WordPress theme. So as you can see, this is a very powerful theme which you can use for multi-purposes. Also this is very smooth, as you can see. And there are multiple demos available which you can use according to your choice. And my previous video I already showed you how we can buy a theme from Theme Forest, in which we buy this theme. Now once you buy a theme from Theme Forest, you will have to go to its download page and then click the download button and can download its file and documentation, or can download only WordPress files. Now I already have downloaded this, and once you download the theme you will get a file like this. Now if you open this, you will see its licensing, its main theme and a child theme, plus its plugins. So to install this we will have to extract this. So just right click this and click extract here, and you will get all the files extracted. Now to upload it to our WordPress dashboard, just go to the dashboard, and this is a subdomain that I have created on Hostinger. So I already have video on this, that how we can create a subdomain and install WordPress there. Now to add that theme, just go to Appearance, Themes, and click Add New, and then click Upload Theme. Choose File. Now you will have to choose the main theme, that is QUBE here. So I'll choose this. We'll click Open and install now. Now sometimes we can't upload a theme to the subdomains, and this is because of its memory limit. So what we can do is we can upload it directly to our WordPress files, and that is the theme folder. So to do this there are two ways. One is to install a plugin to your WordPress dashboard where you can upload the files, and the second one is to go to your hosting and file manager and to upload the theme. So let's try adding a plugin. We will add a new plugin and we'll search for file manager. Once you activate that plugin, you will see WP File Manager. So click on this. And you can close this. And these are the WordPress files, and we can upload our theme here. So to upload the theme, just go to WP Content folder, and then Themes folder. And here as you can see there are 3 default themes of WordPress. So we can upload our theme here. To upload a theme, just click this Upload Files. You can drag and drop or can select the file. So I'll choose the theme, and it will start uploading our theme. And the procedure is same as the cPanel. And the cPanel you will have to access your file manager, and then we'll have to upload your theme and zip file like this. So let me show you how we can do this. So go to your cPanel. Now scroll down and go to File Manager. Now go to public/HTML folder, and here you will find your WordPress files. So as you can see, I am using a subdomain, and the subfolder here is this one. So I'll open this, and Themes folder, and here we can upload the theme. So just click the Upload Files, select File, select the theme, and click Upload. And this will start uploading the file. Now as you can see, this is much faster than the plugin, so it is better to use the cPanel instead of that plugin. And after this we will have to upload its child theme, and it is present here. So again click Upload Files and choose the file and choose the child theme this time. Click Upload. Now we will have to extract both of these files from the zip. So to extract this, just right click and click extract. Again click extract. You can close this and you will see a cube child folder. Do the same for this one. And that is how we can upload the theme. Now go back to your dashboard, go to Appearance in Themes. Actually, we have to upload these themes and extract them inside the public.html and themes folder. So let's move these files. Click Move. Change the destination here to WP Content and Themes folder. And now if I refresh this page, you will see the QUBE theme. So that is how you can upload it using the control panel and file manager. So let's activate this. Once you activate the plugin, you will see its dashboard that welcome to QUBE and that's ready to use. And as you can see, the notice here is this theme needs the following plugins. So to install the plugin, just click the second tab here. And here you can activate all the plugins. So click activate all plugins. And it will start activating one by one. Now once you activate all the plugins and especially the one-click demo import, then you will be able to see this tab called Demo Importer. And this is used to import any of these demos. So to import the demo, just go to Demo Importer. Before you begin, make sure all the required plugins are activated. Now here you can choose any of the design and click Import. So I'll choose the main demo as I show you. So let's choose this one and click Import. Again, yes, import. And this will start importing. Now this will take some time, so let me pause the video. Now as you can see, the demo has finished and there are two warnings, but we can ignore this for now. And let's check our website. So click visit website. And now as you can see, we have successfully imported the demo data. So that is how you can install, activate and import the demo data QUBE theme. So this is a multi-purpose theme. If you want to install this, I'll provide the link down in the description box. And hope the video will help you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next